Hey, hi, hello, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. Those are the Santa Fe Mountains up there with some snow on the peaks, which is cool. The ski area is already closed for the season, but it's really nice to see some snowpack up there. I'm off to Colorado again in my little 2005 Prius, maybe for the last time. I think I'm going to get to trade it in on maybe a little bit newer Prius or something else. I'm not real sure yet. We'll see what the universe has in store for me. In any case, I'm grateful that my brake pad job and my inverter coolant pump job seem to be holding out strong. So far, so good. I should knock on wood or glass, I guess. In the past, after I did the brakes, it still threw a warning light at me after I went up the mountains of Santa Fe. So I imagine once I get up over Raton Pass, which is several hours away and a very intense hill, that'll probably be convincing for me that the coolant pump was indeed part of what was throwing those sensors off. And if not, well, then I'll have to pull over and see what I see from there. I do have some AAA insurance just in case, and I brought my tools just in case, but I'm hoping for a smooth ride. I'm going to take it relatively slow and mellow and enjoy the pretty drive. So I hope you're enjoying wherever you're at. I hope your modes of transportation are being good to you. Just kind of wanted to show you those snow peaks is really all the main reason I turned on the camera. It's a little bit hazy out today. You can see it's a blue sky, New Mexican day, a little bit hazy. We have some fires around already early in the season, but that is true. There's budaghers. You've seen that before. Till next time, I wish you peace, prosperity, potential, and playfulness.